there, it's David Cinelli.
And Ariana Kermick.
And we're realtors with Royal LePage Signature. Ariana, where are we today?
We're at Lambton Square in Etobicoke.
Yeah, and the exact location is 250 Scarlett Road. If you're not familiar with the area, it's Scarlett Road and Eglinton. I absolutely love this area.
So do I. I live down the street.
My in-laws actually live on this little block as well, so we know it very, very well. So if you're not familiar with the area, I love this location. And you love it too. Obviously, you live here. What do you love about it?
There are 2 golf courses nearby. There's a great restaurant across the street, a dry cleaner, groceries nearby, tons of little shops that you can go to for anything you need.
Yeah, and even if you want like Walmart and all, like this Home Depot, there's the Crossroads, which is only a couple minutes away as well. So tons and tons of amenities right here. And what about the building? The building also has some great amenities.
Yeah, there's an outdoor heated pool. Inside there's a workout area, a sauna. The building's also pet friendly.
Very pet friendly. Actually, when we're standing here doing the video, I think we've seen like 100 dogs walk by. So if you have pets, this building is for you. Not to mention, this is a great unit. It's a penthouse, so it's on the top floor. And Julia's inside waiting for us to go meet her. So let's go meet her upstairs. You're gonna love it.
Welcome to Unit 2010. This fully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit feels more like a home than it does a condo. I'm standing right now in the Sunken living room, and the space is just so great for family gathering, entertainment, not to mention that it opens up to a formal dining area. Wait until you see the kitchen. Let's meet Ariana there right now.
Check out this recently updated kitchen. There's tons of natural light in here, brand new cabinetry. The appliances are only a few years old. Now my favorite part about the kitchen is that there is actually room to eat in here. So you'll see in the rest of the tour, you can set up a table in the back area and you can actually be looking outside onto the balcony while you enjoy a meal.
As we mentioned, this unit has 3 really good sized bedrooms. Check out the primary bedroom. This king size bed almost feels a little small for this room. Obviously it's not. The other thing I love is that it has ample room for storage. You have your double door closet, but you also have tons of storage rooms for dressers, etc. You even have your very own 4-piece ensuite fully updated. And the one thing that the homeowner really loved when she bought the unit was that this unit had its own laundry room. Not a laundry closet, a laundry room equipped with its own sink and door. So in case you don't want to do laundry for a day, you can just toss it all in there and close the door and not worry about it. Enjoy the rest of the tour and we'll meet you outside. Well, we hope you enjoy the tour of inside the unit. Now we're standing in your own private, freshly painted balcony. Check out the size of this. And the other thing I love is that you have these unobstructed views.
Yeah, you can see the same tower.
I can see part of Scarlett Woods golf course right behind me.
Yeah, and the one thing about the unit that we didn't mention inside is like, yeah, you can do tons of entertaining, but because you're on the top floor, you don't have to worry about any noise or anything coming from above because you are the top unit. If you want your own private tour of this property or you just want some details, you can always call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dcinelli@royallepage.ca. In the meantime, we're going to enjoy the views from up here.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.